Hello kids. Color pen name: brown color, red color, golden color, orange color, silver color, green color, sky blue color, yellow color, black color, and pink color. Today learn alphabet A to Z. A for apron. B for bus. C for cow. D for doll. E for egg. F for fish. Z for grape. H for horse. I for iron. J for juice. K for kite. L for leopard. M for mango. N for net. O for oil. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for roach. S for sun. T for tomato. U for uniform. V for village. W for water. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra.